Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool thing right here, and basically what this is a bed frame that from this brand right here. And the cool thing about this bed frame that we have right here is the fact that it is foldable. And basically what is the benefit of having a foldable bed frame is so that way if you guys want to fold it back up and save space, you definitely can. So this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me show you guys what the product looks like once you guys fully assemble it. So right now we have a bed skirt on. Let me actually take off the bed skirt and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you see that once we take off the bed skirt, this is basically what the product looks like. Let me bring the camera a bit closer and see what it actually looks like. Alright, so you see that this is basically what the product looks like. So the one that we got right here is a full size. If you can see, there's two different parts on here. So let's compare this to the one that I got last time. That was only like a one thing or one set or one part, whereas this one has two different parts on here. So depending on which size you guys get, whether you guys get like the full size, queen size, or king size, or even the twin size, each different bed frame is a little bit different. The full size basically has these two different parts right here. So that way you get a good foundation and support on your back and everything when you guys actually put your mattress on top. But like I mentioned, for this part right here, it is foldable. So if you guys want to fold it back up, you definitely can. Let me show you what I mean. So basically when you guys screw in this part right here and that part right there, it's actually connected together. But if you guys don't want it to be connected together, you can definitely remove it if you guys want to. But basically if you can see, when we actually lift this part up, it starts to fold. But we can't really fold it right now because it's connected together. So if you guys actually want to fold it, you definitely have to remove the screws on the side right here. Alright, so I just removed that part. I want to do the same thing for this side right here. Alright, so once we remove both of those screws, now you guys can actually fold it back up. So if you guys want to fold it like this, you definitely can, if you guys can see. And obviously for those two bottom parts there, you have to unscrew it as well. But I'm not going to do that for this test. I want to show you guys that the product is foldable. So if you guys want to fold up those legs and fold this part to save a lot of space, you definitely can. So definitely really cool if you can see right here. So that way it's going to save a lot of space. Compared to like your normal bed frame, once you guys set it up, it's not foldable. You guys have to take out like a bunch of parts out. Whereas this one right here is one full set. So once you guys assemble it, it is what it is. And basically when the product arrived, if you guys can see in that small little box right there, everything was basically folded up together to actually save a lot of space. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully assemble it. And if you guys want to fold it back up, you definitely have the option right here, if you guys can see. So now we come unboxing and testing the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a foldable bed frame to actually save a lot of space. And also give you guys the option to assemble it really easily. Especially if you guys don't want to get like the headboard bed frame and everything, where you guys have to assemble so many different parts. These foldable bed frames are literally so much easier. All you need to do is screw in certain parts right here and just open it up. But then obviously for those guys who don't want, or don't need one, or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.